Meanwhile, trading up from the middle school classroom to the trading desk, one New York City teacher is giving his students a unique lesson in financial literacy. Fox Business's Jerry Willis live from Brooklyn with a closer look. Jerry.
Hey there, Taylor. You're going to love this story. So we are in a classroom that teaches nothing but financial literacy issues. We are at IS 281 with Raymond Tran, who actually teaches these kids these topics. How do you teach kids about stocks and bonds?
Well, we participate in the SIPA Foundation stock market game. Each student breaks them into groups. They have $100,000 in virtual money to buy stocks, mutual funds, and bonds. We've actually been lucky enough to be the first place finish in the city the last 4 years.
So I have to ask you, though, I mean, you teach them about stocks and bonds, but are there other lessons you hope they take away?
Absolutely. We tell them to invest early and often. As 6th, 7th, 8th graders, they really have the advantage of investing early and getting that compound interest and letting that work for them.
Oh, that's awesome. So I spoke to one of your students who told me that she takes these lessons home to her family. Listen.
And every child's dream, they always wanted to buy cars, houses, any fancy things when they grow up. But for me, all I wanted to do was just to support my parents, achieve all their dreams.
Amazing story. But I want to say I have just one more question for the classroom. Do you like the financial literacy class?
Yes!
Back to you guys.
Jerry, really sweet. My main takeaway is they're teaching them to invest early and often to get that compound interest that is music to my ears. Jerry, thank you so much.
Love it.